Climate change is one of the biggest challenges facing humanity today. Its consequences have disproportionately impacted vulnerable groups.
Women and girls are among those that will be more impacted by the consequences of this crisis.
It's unequivocal that human influence has warmed the atmosphere, ocean and land. Widespread and rapid changes in the atmosphere, ocean, cryosphere and biosphere have occurred.
The widespread and catastrophic effects of climate change will manifest in increased severity and duration of natural disasters, further reducing access to vital natural resources. This adds to the systemic disadvantages vulnerable groups already face, including poverty and lack of opportunities. And it will continue to infringe on human rights.
Face a critical time. Our nations need to come together and take action, transform the way we perceive climate, understand the significant impacts its changes have on women and people in energy poverty, and set us on a path towards achieving net zero.
Climate change is a long-term problem for us all. Advances in nuclear power technologies are fundamental for a long-term sustainable solution.
Policies need to change to progress towards evidence-based clean energy production. Maintaining the existing nuclear power plants is vital to support the transition to a net zero solution.
We are now in a climate emergency. Now is the time to deploy all available clean energy technologies.
Funding mechanisms must be driven by science, not ideology. Policy design needs to create an equal playing field for all low-emission technologies to ensure an inclusive, sustainable future for all.
Wind Global uses its voice as a network of female experts to call for urgent action from policymakers to include nuclear as part of the net zero solution and ensure that women are involved in all decision-making steps in addressing the climate crisis. We must act now. The world needs to hear women, and net zero needs nuclear.